Imagine transforming your home into a cozy sanctuary for less than the price of a fancy coffee. Action's new candle collection promises to do just that, but will you be fast enough to snag these bargain beauties before they vanish from the shelves? As the days shorten and the nights grow longer, we all crave a little extra warmth and ambience. A strategically placed candle, a uniquely shaped holder, these small touches can dramatically alter the mood of a room, making it feel more inviting and sociable. And now, Action is stepping up to deliver that magic with its latest collection of candles and candle holders, poised to become the season's must-have homeware. Stylists are already buzzing about the retro vibes, the interesting textures, and the effortlessly chic finishes that make these pieces perfect for autumn makeovers. The appeal is undeniable: instant atmosphere, minimal cost, and the power to refresh any space, from a table setting to an entire living room, in mere minutes. Why is everyone so excited about Action's candles? Let's break it down. The return of vintage charm. The 1960s and 70s are back in a big way, influencing everything from fashion to interior design. Think curvy lines, gentle geometric shapes, and sculptural forms that add a touch of artistic flair to any surface. Action perfectly captures this trend with its stoneware holders, which feel more like miniature art objects than mere candle accessories. These holders add height and visual interest, whether you choose to light a candle in them or simply display them as standalone pieces. Pair one with a retro spiral taper candle for a look that's both stylish and effortless. Interior designers are increasingly using these shapely, substantial holders to create focal points and ground displays. A single, well-chosen piece can completely transform the look of a shelf or mantel. Speaking of tapers, forget the plain, straight kind. This season, it's all about twisted tapers. Their unique spiral shape casts playful shadows and adds a pop of color. Set them in simple stoneware holders to let their silhouette shine, or opt for opaline glass for a softer, more diffused glow. These candles are a subtle nod to the past with a contemporary twist. Color, texture, and the art of playful mixing. Color is a powerful tool for setting the mood. Warm earth tones, like terracotta, caramel, and beige, create a sense of cozy comfort. Bolder shades, saffron yellow, sage green, glacier blue, soft rose, olive, inject a seasonal vibrancy without overwhelming the space. And this is the part most people miss: texture plays just as big of a role. Raw stoneware adds a sense of groundedness, opaline glass softens and diffuses light, and marbled wax creates a sense of movement and depth. Tie-dye effects and glitter finishes offer a subtle nod to the upcoming party season without being overly festive. A great rule of thumb is to create balance with one neutral base, one bold color, and one texture that has character. This trio will keep any arrangement looking cohesive and stylish. For example, a beige stoneware holder, a saffron yellow twisted taper, and a marbled wax pillar candle. What can you expect to find in store? The collection includes everything from basic tapers to eye-catching statement pieces. Key items to look out for are the twisted candles, tie-dye pillar candles, and glitter-infused options that hint at holiday gatherings. The sculpted stoneware holders feature organic curves, while sleeker, Art Deco-inspired shapes offer a contrasting aesthetic. The beauty of this collection lies in its mix-and-match versatility. Everything is designed to be layered and combined, rather than strictly matched. Item material finish typical price best for. Twisted taper wax spiral, solid color is almost equal to €1 place settings, mantle symmetry. Tie-dye pillar wax gradient color low euro centerpieces, coffee tables. Glitter taper wax subtle or bold sparkle low euro drinks trays, party accents. Stoneware holder gress/stoneware mat, sculptural is almost equal to €4 anchoring displays, hallway consoles. Opaline glass cup glass soft focus glow low euro bedrooms, bathrooms. With prices starting around €1 for candles and €4 for stoneware holders, creating a stylish tablescape or shelf display doesn't have to break the bank. Styling tips: creating a scene that sings. Transforming your space from cluttered to curated is easier than you think. Start by defining the mood you want to create: a cozy dinner, a quiet reading nook, a festive drink setting, and then build your arrangement to complement that atmosphere. Vary heights: combine a low pillar candle, a mid-height holder, and a tall taper candle for visual interest. Embrace odd numbers: clusters of 3 or 5 objects are more visually appealing than even numbers. Balance color: incorporate one warm neutral, one accent color, and one texture with a strong presence. Add gentle greenery: Eucalyptus sprigs or pine clippings can soften the edges of your display. Keep flames apart, ensure at least 10 centimeters between candles to prevent overheating and uneven burning. Trim wicks. Before lighting, trim wicks to 5 mm to minimize smoke and dripping. Layer light. Add a delicate microgarland woven between the holders for subtle depth without harsh glare. Mixing shapes and textures is key to creating a dynamic and eye-catching display. Forget perfectly matching sets, the contrast is what makes the composition truly shine. The price point, the heart of the appeal. Value is at the core of Action's appeal. With candles starting at around €1 and the sculpted stoneware holders priced at approximately €4, you can create a stunning centerpiece with 3 holders and 4 tapers for under €20, without sacrificing style. Store shelves are frequently refreshed with seasonal items, so specific colors and finishes may vary. Popular shades, such as sage, terracotta, and pale blue, tend to sell out quickly as party season approaches in November and December. If you have a specific color palette in mind, it's best to shop sooner rather than later. But here's where it gets controversial. Some might argue that the low price point suggests lower quality or unsustainable practices. What do you think? These price points also make gift-giving a breeze. A pair of holders with 2 coordinating tapers makes a thoughtful and affordable present that still feels on trend. Keep a few extra pieces on hand for last-minute hosting. A pair of twisted tapers in a bold color can instantly elevate a basic table setting. Beyond the look, materials, care, and sustainability. Wax types and performance. Different brands use different wax blends, each offering unique benefits in terms of cost, burn time, and fragrance. Paraffin wax generally provides a strong scent throw and a bright flame. Soy and rapeseed wax burn longer and cooler, with a more subtle scent profile. Unscented candles are ideal for dining areas, while scented candles are perfect for entryways and bedrooms where food aromas won't interfere. Regardless of the type you choose, placing your candle in a stable, draft-free location will improve its performance and reduce soot. Care, reuse, and safety. Always protect surfaces with a heat-resistant base and use catch plates if you plan on burning candles for extended periods. Extinguish candles with a snuffer rather than blowing them out to avoid wax splatter. If wax accumulates in a holder, simply chill it in the freezer for an hour, pop out the residue, and wash with warm soapy water. Once candle season is over, stoneware pieces can be repurposed as bud vases, incense stands, or desk organizers, extending their lifespan beyond the winter months. Always remember these essential safety precautions. Never leave a burning candle unattended, and keep it out of reach of children and pets. Aim for burn times of 2 to 3 hours to create an even melt pool and prevent tunneling. Reserve glitter finishes for well-ventilated areas and place them on a tray for easy cleanup. Budget-friendly room refresh recipes. Hallway welcome is almost equal to €12 2 stoneware holders, €8, plus 4 tapers in a single color, €4. Living room glow is almost equal to €15 1 tie-dye pillar candle, 2 twisted tapers, and a micro garland. Dinner for 6, under €20 5 tapers in staggered heights on simple saucers, scattered with herb sprigs. Each set can be used independently or combined when hosting larger gatherings. If you create interior design content for social media, consider building a rotating kit of 8 to 10 pieces across 3 color palettes: warm neutrals, winter greens, and party brights. Swap in 1 accent piece each week to keep your posts fresh. The minimal investment compared to larger furniture changes makes this a low-risk way to refresh your content and gauge your audience's preferences. What are the experts watching next? Stylists predict 2 micro-trends will gain momentum as winter approaches: chunkier, pottery-like holders that double as daytime decor, and frosted glass that softens the light from LED teal lights for renters who prefer to avoid open flames. Action's mix of stoneware and opaline glass aligns perfectly with these trends. Expect to see deeper greens and champagne tones as party season ramps up, along with more marbled wax finishes that offer a luxurious look without the high price tag. For those planning ahead, sketch out a color plan for November and December and purchase items in small batches. This allows you to adapt your collection by adding a single new shade or texture when the next shipment arrives, rather than starting from scratch. The goal is simple: create a versatile candle wardrobe that enhances everything from weekday dinners to New Year's celebrations, one €1 taper at a time. So, what are your thoughts? Are you excited about Action's new candle collection? Which pieces are you most eager to get your hands on? And do you think affordable home decor can truly be both stylish and sustainable?